This is more than a medical event. It is a moment of hope and solidarity, a reminder that behind every statistic, there is a story. Behind every diagnosis, there is a woman, a mother, a sister, a daughter, whose courage reminds us what hope truly means. There are few words that can comfort someone who has just heard the words, "You have cancer." But there are actions that can. The action of catching it early, the action of standing together, the action of making sure no woman feels alone in her fight. Every woman deserves that chance, the chance to survive, to heal, to live, and that chance begins with awareness. If there's one message I wish everyone to take home from today's gathering is simple yet powerful. We must all carry one simple truth in our hearts. Early detection saves lives. Breast cancer, when found early, can often be treated successfully. It is not a sentence of despair. It is a call to act and to act in time.